According to Ligaya, she lived with her husband out of wedlock for 6 years. In 2008, while still not married, Ligaya and her husband bought a house. At that time, much improvement was needed that they helped each other build the same until the structure became livable and is improved. Floor. In 2014, Ligaya and her husband were legally wed. Their relationship was in such a way that they would always quarrel. It was because her husband was allegedly a womanizer. Ligaya wanted to leave her husband and told him to sell the house for them to equally share the proceeds thereof. Her husband opposed her proposal and claimed that the property is not conjugal in nature because it was built before they were legally wed. Technically, Ligaya, your husband is correct when he said that the house is not conjugal in nature. But this is what most do not understand. If your marriage was solemnized before August 3, 1988, then the applicable law is the new Civil Code of the Philippines and not the Family Code. Before the Family Code, anything acquired by the spouse separately and he subsequently entered into such marriage, such property remains to be his separate property. Since you married in 2014, several decades after the Family Code took effect, then it is the later law that governs your marriage. It is important to know that people who marry can choose their property relations before by means of a written instrument, either absolute community of property, conjugal partnership of gains, or complete separation of property. When you married in 2014, it appears that you never had a written agreement as to what property relations will govern your marriage. Hence, the absolute community of property is automatically the system between yourselves. Under Article 91 of the Family Code, it is stated that unless otherwise provided in this chapter or in the marriage settlements, the community property shall consist of all the property owned by the spouses at the time of the celebration of marriage or acquired thereafter. Therefore, by virtue of Article 91 of the Family Code, your suggestion to your husband is sound. He may be technically correct that it is not conjugal property, but actually what you have is an absolute community of property. It means that all properties belonging to either of you or your husband automatically become part of the community property when you married. So you may divide them in half. Be reminded that our opinion is based solely on the information you provided us, and it may change depending on any additional information. You are free to consult a lawyer of your choice regarding your legal concerns. Email us at ptv4newscenter@gmail.com. Attorney J.J. Jimeno Atienza for the Rule of Law.